Morning, student. I hope you are all are well. Stay home, stay safe. Today we start chapter 1, economics development. Now the idea of development or progress has always been with us. We have aspirations or desires about what we would like to do and how we would like to live. ठीक है, डेवलपमेंट आइडिया जो है वो हमेशा ऑलवेज हमारे साथ साथ चलता है. वी ऑलवेज हैव एस्पिरेशंस. ऐसा नहीं है कि वी इफ वी अचीव एनीथिंग तो और एस्पिरेशंस इज नहीं. हम जब भी कुछ अचीव करते हैं और आगे अचीव करने का हमें रहती है चीज़ों को, तो ये आइडिया जो है वो डेवलपमेंट का हमारे साथ रहता है. इट्स ऑलवेज similarly we have ideas about what a country should be look like, about what are the essential things that we require. Can life better for all? How should we live together? So development involves thinking about these questions and about the ways in which we can work. So generally development involves thinking. हमारी सोच को लेकर के चलता है कि what we think about the different aspects of life, of a nation, anything. In this chapter we will discuss about this thinking and try to find out the answers of these questions. One more thing, we can't desire for change without being aware of this. If we want change in our nation, change in our life, if we want change, so only thinking is not only aspect हम सोचें और सब चीज़ें हो जाएं. नो, वी हैव टू अवेयर. हमें अवेयर भी होना पड़ेगा जो हमारे आसपास हो रहा है उसके लिए. It is only through a democratic political process that these hopes and possibilities can achieve in life. So democratically और politically process के through ही हम जो democratically political process के through means कि हम जो चाहते हैं, जो aspirations हैं, वो कैसे fulfill होंगी, इनके लिए हमें democratic politic aspect भी चाहिए. All of you know about the meaning of democracy very well. So now the first thing is different peoples have different developmental goals. Different people have different developmental goals. हर जो developmental goals है वो same नहीं होते हैं सबके. Like what is development for me is not development for you. If I ask you what is development for you, may some of you says that ki I want more freedom. Some of you says that to getting good marks in exam. Some of you say that to finish up my homework or assignments on time. So if we ask a beggar ki what is developmental goals, तो beggar के लिए क्या होगा कि he get the food for 2 times, sufficient food, है ना. He is able to fulfill his food requirements. If we ask a girl from a rural area, maybe she wants the freedom as the other girls have, girls in urban areas or cities, freedom for education, freedom for going outside. If we same thing we ask to any goals. Plus it is not necessary that development for one is also for other. Maybe development for one is destructive for other. ये जरूरी नहीं है कि एक के लिए जो डेवलपमेंट है वही दूसरे के लिए भी डेवलपमेंट हो. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, कंस्ट्रक्शन ऑफ डैम. If a dam is constructed, no doubt it is very helpful. No doubt it is very helpful. Wait. Start. So development for one is destructive for other. Take the example of construction of dam. If a dam is constructed, no doubt it is a development for a nation because we get more electricity. We fulfill our irrigation facilities with the help of dam. Our water problems may be solved. But the area where the dam is constructed, what about the people who displaced because of the construction of the dam? वो लोग जिनको कि डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन की वजह से अपना एरिया छोड़ करके जाना पड़ा, वाटर लॉगिंग प्रॉब्लम जो आसपास के विलेजेस फेस करते हैं. So the construction of dam may be a developmental goal for a country or for an industrialist or for the people who get benefited by the construction of the dam. But what about the people who suffers a lot because of the construction of the dam? So second aspect is construct development for one is not necessary that the development of goal other also. It may be destructive for other also. If I ask a question, how can you judge that this person is more developed than the other? No doubt it is very helpful. Wait. Start. So development for one is destructive for other. Take the example of construction of dam. If a dam is constructed, no doubt it is a development for a nation because we get more electricity. We fulfill our irrigation facilities with the help of dam. Our water problems may be solved. But the area where the dam is constructed, what about the people who displaced because of the construction of the dam? वो लोग जिनको कि डैम कंस्ट्रक्शन की वजह से अपना एरिया छोड़ करके जाना पड़ा. वाटर लॉगिंग प्रॉब्लम जो आसपास के विलेजेस फेस करते हैं. सो द construction of dam may be a developmental goal for a country or for an industrialist or for the people who get benefited by the construction of the dam. But what about the people who suffers a lot because of the construction of the dam? So second aspect is construct development for one is not necessary that the development of goal other also. It may be destructive for other also. If I ask a question, how can you judge that this person is more developed than the other? Simply you say by seeing his or her standard of living, कि वो कैसे जीता है, what asset he has. Asset means things which gives us facilities in our life, like a car, a bike, a house, a sofa, a chair, a table. These all are assets. Anything which gives us facility is an asset for us. So we compare the people on the aspect of development through comparison of their standard of life. Now, how the person achieves the standard of life? Through income, money. If a person has income, then only he is able to fulfill his needs and he raises his standard of living. So first and very important aspect to judge the development is income. इनकम के बेस पर हम जज कर सकते हैं कि who is more developed and who is less. Understand? Now, through income, we can achieve all the materialistic thing. Materialistic means which we can buy, जिसको कि हम खरीद सकते हैं. इनकम के थ्रू we can achieve materialistic things, but some non-materialistic things are also equally important for our life, which we cannot buy by the money or the income. Like, we cannot buy security. You cannot save yourself from disease with the help of money also. You cannot buy loyalty. You cannot buy love, affection, peace. So these all are the non-materialistic things of life which we cannot buy through income. So the question is, no doubt income is the most important criteria to achieve development, but income is only criteria to achieve development? No. Income is not only idea to achieve development. If we want to achieve development in also, we have other things also besides income which we cannot buy through income. Question related to this topic is given at the back of your text also. Please find this. So besides seeking more income, one way or the other, people also things like equal treatments, freedom, security, and respect for the others. The recent discrimination, all these are important goals. In fact, in some cases, these may be more important than income or other materialistic good. Money or material things that one can buy with it is one factor on which our life depend. But the quality of our life also depend on non-materialistic thing. You may desire the friendship. Similarly, there are many things that are not easily measured, but they mean a lot to our lives, and these are often ignored. However, it will be wrong to consider, but they mean a lot to our lives, and these are often ignored. However, it will be wrong to conclude that what cannot be measured is not important. We cannot measure these things, but we cannot conclude that these are not important. Consider an example. If you get a job in a far off places, suppose in present job you are getting the salary of 30,000, at far off places the job offers you 50,000 salary. For example, the present place where you are working, you have freedom in what way you want to do your work. The office is near to your home. You can easily manage your home and office. You have peace of mind over there. But at another place where you get 40,000, the office is very far of your home, and you are not able to manage your home, and you do not have any freedom. So in this case, a person does not choose the place where he get more money. He prioritize which place where he get less money, but he gets other things also. So this example shows that for development, people look at mixed goal. For development, people do not look at only income. So tomorrow we continue about the another topic, that is national development. Just now we talk about a personal development. Tomorrow we continue with the topic national development. Next video हम डिस्कस करेंगे अबाउट द नेशनल डेवलपमेंट, एक देश, कंसेप्ट ऑफ नेशनल इनकम और एवरेज इनकम. And it's your homework to read page number 4, 5 and 6 given in your textbook, and try to find out the answers given on page number 6. Let's work these out.